Yo, just got my first order for the day. It's a Sherry's, $7.75, going less than 4 miles. There is peak pay at the moment, so it's unlikely that there's a hidden tip on this one, but it's still a good order regardless.
There you are.
Thank you. So that took like 10 minutes to make one burger. Normally I would have just unassigned it, but I zoned out honestly. So that's kind of on me. Next order up is a Starbucks, $10.25, going about 6 miles.
This one's the drinks, this one's
Both
the
of them?
food, yeah.
Gotcha. Just got a shop and deliver order, $20, going like 6 miles. Looks like 2 eggs and frozen pizzas. This one should be easy. Yes.
Oh, okay.
Gotcha, thank you. Hello. Just got this McDonald's order, $8.75, going less than 5 miles. Yep, thank you.
Can I have your shit?
Yo, this guy gave me like the most clear instructions I've ever seen.
Your call has been forwarded.
Bro, need a gate code.
You have arrived.
Way to ruin a good thing. Seriously. I just got this Walgreens pickup order, $8.75, going less than 3 miles.
There you go.
Thank you. I think I'm gonna take this shopping order for Target. $10.25, going less than 5 miles, only 2 items. Just got another shop and deliver order. This one is $13 and some change, going like 5 miles, only 3 items.
Aisle 10 on your right hand side.
Or 11, I believe. We move it around every now and then.
Okay, it wasn't just me. They do move that thing around. Next order up is a shop and deliver for alcohol. $14, going 7 miles, 3 items. And then just scribble on that line for me.
Oh, yeah, sure. Dude, it's a dope bun.
Oh, thanks. Next order up is a Starbucks, $7.75, going 4 miles.
Here you go.
Thank you.
Welcome. Have a good day.
You as well. I just got this McDonald's order, $11 and some change, going like 4 miles.
Here, it's gonna be these 2 bags for that order.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Have a good day.
You too. Just got another McDonald's order, $7.75 for 3.5 miles.
Oh, me too, big guy. Thank you. Have a good day.
Next up, I've got a shop and deliver for Walgreens, $14 going like 3 miles.
I'll see you in the newspapers. Alrighty, have a good
Hello.
one.
I'm looking.
DoorDash, and they're a little more expensive,
Yeah.
but that's why I'm out of stock on the small ones.
Gotcha. Thank you.
Hopefully they say yeah, sure. Why not?
Yeah, half of their stuff is like missing, so we'll see what happens. Most of this order is out of stock and customer will not reply, so it's gonna be canceled, I'm assuming. Just waiting for support. We're not doing this. I'm over it. Let's get out of here. All right, that was a massive waste of time. Customer was not replying, and it took like 10 minutes to get a hold of support. Then another 5 minutes for them to contact the customer. So like I told them, the order is no longer worth my time. Anyways, I'm annoyed and I'm hungry, so I'm calling it a day. Current time is 12:10. Current total is, I believe, 108. And I have one Uber tip yet to come in. Should put me at 115-ish for the day. Pretty decent day today. Had a lot of shopping orders, which were pretty smooth, so those paid well. Anyways, that's gonna be it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and yeah.